What is it, YouTube? In this video we are going to talk about 3 online ID that will be helpful for web developers. The online ID doesn't require any software, you just have to have a browser and an internet connection. So let's jump into the first online ID. So the first online ID is CodePen.io. This is a simple online IDE that helps you write HTML, CSS and JavaScript, as you can see right here. If you have to import any fonts, you could just do @import and URL and CSS. So that's all. And you could also change the view from this to this and this one. It will be very helpful for if you are making the website mobile responsive as well. You could just change how it looks. And if you want to save the file, or if you want to save your current progress, then you could just sign up and you just press this button. So that's the first website that we talked about, right? So the second website that we are going to discuss is CodeSandbox.io. So this is another website, but it's more powerful than CodePen. CodeSandbox. So it's opening. Let's see. This website is all about React. If you want to build a website with React, this website is pretty much suitable for that. And this website, you could see that this online IDE is similar to Visual Studio Code. If you have been using Visual Studio Code, then it is pretty much similar. And if you want to install any dependencies, node modules, then you could just type your dependencies here and click on one of the dependency and it would be automatically installed. It's same as React, right? So you could just do that. And you could also make new files here. Right, so if you want to make another component, then you could just go here and this button will create a new file and it will create a new folder. And it's all about React if you want to create an app, right? So you can just create app.js, right? So it created that. Right here we have app.js, and here it comes fork sandbox. What do you mean by fork? If you want to save the data, if you want to save this file, then you could just fork it so that you could use it another time. And there's one more feature over here that you could export this file to zip, right? So zip extension, you could export it and you could open it through Visual Studio Code or any online any editor you like. So that's how it works, right? So and we have other things over here, settings, you could just check it out. So this is the second one, and the third one is called CodeFly.com, right? So it's more powerful than CodeSandbox and CodePen. In this website you could write in React, in Angular, in Vue.js. It's your choice. You could just write plain HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you'd also have access to Bootstrap here, Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap 5, Bootstrap plus Font Awesome. It's your choice whether you use Angular or Foundation or Materialize. That's your choice, right? So if you wanna, you have to create a new file here. And you should open the online editor like this. You have plain HTML, you have JavaScript, and you have CSS. And if you wanna import React, then you could just click this button and you have Angular with any, you can import anything. Okay, I am importing React here. So React is imported. Here we have the React, right? So this is HTML, this is CSS, and we have JavaScript over here, which is written in React, right? So look at this type here. H1. Hello, YouTube. One, and we can just say run it. So that's how it works. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please do subscribe the video, and I'll see you in the next one.